Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Open Playstore, check which Google account is active, and verify the current country on your payments profile. Once you've backed up essential data, make sure you're connected to a local Wi-Fi or mobile network for the target country. You'll also need a local payment method or address to add later. Without it, the switch may not take. Now, proceed to the account settings in Playstore to start the country change process. You navigate to Playstore, tap your profile, then Settings, General Account, and Device Preferences. Here, locate Country and Profiles. Playstore shows an option for the target country if Google detects a local IP or payment profile. Select that country. Once you do, the store will prompt you to add or select a local payment method. Add it now. Be mindful that switching may take up to 48 hours, and you can only change country once per year, so proceed deliberately. You finish by waiting for the change to propagate. This can take up to 48 hours. Meanwhile, clear Playstore cache and restart the app to force refresh. Make sure new purchases use the local payment method and the billing address exactly matches the profile. Mismatches are the common failure point. If the country option isn't available, don't rely on VPNs for verification. Instead, check billing details, remove and re-add the account, or contact Google support. That one troubleshooting step, confirm billing address, fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.